So, what if I told you that you can legally hijack other people's videos and make money on them? Well, now you can. James and Max has been doing this and they've been making money. Hello, and welcome to my Clickjack Hack review. In this Clickjack Hack review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Clickjack Hack, and I'm even going to take you inside the members area to show you exactly what you get. And stick around to the end because I'm going to tell you of a really cool bonus that I've come up for you just for picking this up through my link. So basically, the Clickjack Hack is a course that shows you how to use a specific platform to upload viral clips, and you make money by doing that. So basically, inside this program, there are campaigns that you can join to help promote other people's products. You join that campaign, and then inside that campaign, they give you videos that are already going viral. You can use those videos that are already going viral, and you can clip unnecessary parts out of them and make those videos your own. That makes that video 100% unique, and these videos are usually less than 1 minute long. So when you join one of these campaigns, each of these campaigns is going to be a different company or brand, and they're going to pay you based on the views that you get through social media. So what you do is you can connect like your Instagram, your YouTube, your TikTok, your X profiles. And then once those are connected, you upload your video. You then go into the campaign. You give them your video URL. They will review the video. And once approved, you start making money. These campaigns are going to have a payout system, and they are paid out per 1,000 views. Some of them are paid out 30 cents per 1,000 view. Some of them are paying out up to $3 or $4 per 1,000 view. And you just need one video to go viral to get, 100,000 views or whatever. You just need one of those videos to get viral to make some decent money. Now, with this, you're not going to be a millionaire. You're not going to make serious money with this. But if you keep doing this, if you keep creating these videos and uploading these videos, and I'm going to show you in my bonus that these videos do not take very long at all to create and to upload into your social media platforms. So this is the sales page. You can look over that. I'm not going to go over that sales page, but I am going to take you real quick into the members area just to show you exactly what you get with this. So this is the Clickjack Hack members area. You can navigate the videos through the left-hand side, and then each video will pop up on the right. So the first one's just a welcome video. The next one is the big reveal, which platform it is. The next one is master your mind, how to get in the right mindset to make money with this. From zero to clipping hero. They're going to show you step by step how to create your account. They're going to dive into the brand new world of earning online, how this works. This step must be done to get your payments. Make sure you look at this video and you go through this video and make sure that you do this, or you will not get paid. Use these tools to edit the viral video clips. Now you can use the tools that they show you in here. I'm going to show you a tool that I use. That's going to be in my bonus. I'll go over that in a minute. Keep stacking, build another yet online income stream. And you got this, take action now. And then the other two are just promoting their other stuff. So this is a really solid training, and this is a really cool way to make money. And like I said, all you need is one of those videos that you upload to go viral, and you got some money in your pocket. So, as promised, if you pick this up through my link, I'm going to give you a bonus. Now, in this training, I don't go through and do a step-by-step walkthrough for you of, how they're creating the videos. So I'm going to go ahead and do one for you. I've been creating a little bit of videos on my account through this. So please go through and watch the videos, watch this course first, then go through and watch my video, because I'm going to show you the platform that I use. to create the videos, which is 100% free. You can either use it online or you can download it. It doesn't matter. It's free to use. I use a simple hidden tool inside that platform to make this extremely simple for you. So you can crank out these videos in less than 10 minutes and upload them into your social media accounts really, really, really fast. And if you spend just an hour a day doing that, I mean, you can put easily 10 videos up a day. So that's just a thank you from me to you for picking this up through my link. So click that link down below in the description. You're going to go to my review page, click on the green button, and that will take you to this page, and you'll just scroll down and click here to get instant access today. So thank you for watching my Clickjack Hack review.